Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share a YouTube video on Instagram Story. So let's get started. First, go to YouTube and open the video that you want to share on Instagram Story. Next, tap on the share button. And then copy the video link, just tap on copy link here. Next, go back to the Instagram application. Next, tap on the plus button here. And then select Story here. Next, tap on the Create button here. And then on the top here, tap on the Sticker button here. Next, select Link here. And then paste your video link here that you just copied. And tap on Done. Now you can arrange it anywhere on the screen. You can also add text like me. Once you are done, then on the right bottom corner, tap the Share button. Next, select your story, and then tap on Share. Then tap on Done, and that's it. Now, when someone sees your story and taps on the link, then it will be redirected to that YouTube video. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.